gang, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Kate and I do lifestyle and luxury handbag videos. Today's lifestyle video is a clean with me video. I've just moved back to Canada after spending some time in Europe, and I found this beautiful one-bedroom apartment about 20 minutes outside the city center. It's walking distance to a recreation center with a gym, a cardio room, and a pool, as well as a major shopping mall. Don't let the setup behind me fool you. That's just for you guys. When I left for Switzerland, I sold all of my furniture or gave it away or donated it to people in need. Now that I'm back, I'm trying to build my savings again in order to decorate my apartment. In the meantime, I'm sleeping on a twin mattress from my mom in the middle of my living room on the floor. The place is a mess. I've got boxes and garbage everywhere from moving in quickly during COVID and then living for a couple of days off of takeout. Now that I'm getting more settled, I'm ready to get this place spick and span so that I can start to plan out a floor plan. The sun has now set and I've finished with the living room and moving on to the kitchen, which is actually my least favorite room to clean. Alright, so the kitchen is done and gorgeous. Time to head to the bathroom. So I know it's not much of a tour yet because I haven't really got much to show you, but I hope you enjoyed the Clean With Me video that I shared with you today. That's it for today's video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up for me, and I'd also love it if you would subscribe because I'd be super stoked to have you back. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.